Hey my dinos, when you look at a drop of water, doesn't it seem like it's just a drop? Well, I was reading on Climate Kids that a log can live in one tiny drop of water. There can be a lot going on in a single drop of ocean water. It will most likely have millions of bacteria and viruses. It could also have fish eggs, baby crabs, plankton, or even small worms. It's very important to make sure we take care of our planet. We need to keep the glaciers on Earth because they will melt. Who knows what's stored inside the ice that will melt into the ocean? Next time when you see someone not recycling or using plastic straws, ask them if they know about climate change and maybe teach them what you have learned. 1 second can make a big difference, dinos. I'm counting on you. Now first, pick a crayon that you love. I chose orange today. Let's write our names. Did I mention how great you dinos are at writing your names? It's extraordinary how fast you guys are learning. Great job. Now let's read the directions. Practice tracing the star. One more time. Practice tracing the star. Now grab your crayon and we're going to trace the dotted lines. Right, up, down, right, down, down, left, left, up, and left. Think you could do this yourself? You got it. Take your time, okay, and trace the dotted lines. Remember, there's no rush. You dinos are doing such a great job. Now on to the next star. I'm using blue for the next star. Now remember, take your time, dinos. You got this. Now, I'm doing orange. You dinos are doing such a great job at tracing. Last one, I'm doing yellow. Just trace the dotted lines, dino. Great job, dinos. Now it says, draw something using the shape above. Let's read one more time. Draw something using the shape above. Now they're asking us to use the shape above, which is a star, to draw something. Can you guess what I'm going to draw? What are you going to draw? It seems to be green with orange dots everywhere. Now I'm taking a red crayon and putting dots everywhere as well. Can you guess what it is yet? I feel like you dinos are so smart, you already know what it is, but I'll keep letting you guess. What do you think it is? Do you think I'm drawing a table? Just kidding, dinos. It seems to have a brown stump. And finally, the star shape is on top of the... Can you dinos guess what it is yet? Great job! It's a Christmas tree with the star on top. I knew you dinos would know what it is. Now let's color in the star that we traced. Do you want to hear a joke about stars? Okay. Why did the star wake up in the middle of the night? It had to go twinkle. Get it? twinkle. My second star is green. What color did you trace your star? Oh, I like that color. Now I'm coloring the blue star. I love blue stars. What color is your star? That's a great color too. My next star is orange. What color did you color yours? Oh, that's a bright color. And my next one is yellow. Just like what's on the top of my Christmas tree, a yellow star. Now, last but not least, we gotta color in Mr. Star. I'm coloring Mr. Star red. What color are you coloring him? Oh, that's great color. Now I'm coloring Mr. Star's arms and legs green, so this way he could walk right across the screen. Here he is. Hi, Mr. Star. Oh man, dinos, you guys are great. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!